Hey, it's Jackie Othen here with Real Estate Real Talk. I was touring homes this weekend with some really lovely clients of mine and walked into the basement to discover the most amazing, adorable pair of mustard, and I think that's not the color, they're called a golden something. The person who was with me will probably comment below and tell us the color. These gorgeous vintage mustard color washer and dryer in the basement. Now, super cool, fit the vibe of that house, but also to a real estate agent's eye and other people looking at these homes. Buyers these days expect to have appliances. They're spending a lot of money to get into the market, and it's really nice when the home includes nice new appliances. Some homes require top-of-the-line products, some are okay with mid-range, and some are okay with basement apartments having ordinary standard builder grade stuff. You want to make sure you do your homework with what you're buying. You want to make sure that your oven is clean because people surely are going to open it, and that your fridge is spotless and everything looks its very best. So appliances matter. They do help bring you top dollar. So make a good investment. And if you need a recommendation to somebody great who we recommend, hit us up. They'll connect you with great appliances. Thanks so much for watching.